Hey guys, Galactic Marine 501 slash JacksonWolfXE here, and Kyle Rayner hat. Yeah, a lot of people may think that this is just a normal lantern symbol. God dang it. But it's not. It's actually Kyle Rayner's version of it. Because it's got the white outline, the black on the inside. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna wear my awesome Rayner hat with pride. Today we're gonna be reviewing something awesome. Can already see it. The 10th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. This is the David Tennant version. Also used by the 9th Doctor. I don't know who played the 9th Doctor because I didn't see the 9th. I started with 10th and I've seen 11th. Or part of 11th. Yeah. So, gotta unscrew this tiny little screw. First you pop off the cap. You unscrew this little screw, I think. Which should free up the mechanism in there. Ah, crap. Carp. Do it more. Oh, by the way, I'll go to packaging in a sec. I got it in a limited edition pack, so if you're a big fan of displaying packaging and stuff, may want to get it soon because it may come in this special limited edition package. Yeah, this is similar to the construction of the 11th screwdriver. But yeah, this is the special edition pack. You can see it's got Matt Smith there in profile in half of his face. And then on this side it has David Tennant, half of his face, an explosion in the center, and yeah. And it says right there, limited edition pack, or here. I'm going to save this pack, actually. I'm going to put it in my thing. Oh, God. I'm going to put that in with my stuff, and yeah. And with my instruction manuals for my Gundams. But whatever. So let's get the batteries in. Just like the 11th Doctor sonic screwdriver, this does come with batteries. And I really hope I put these in right. Just have a thing in it. Diagram. Okay, so now let's see. With this thing going up, you gotta put them with the little crap. With the little things going up, I think? I don't know. Ah, poop. I did this again. Did this last time too. You'd think I would have learned from that, but I didn't apparently. Oh, hey. I forgot the pin trick that you can use. And of course I don't have... Is the pen... Ha! 10th Doctor, thank you so much. The pen that is in here will probably work. And... of course it will not. Dang it. Oh, wait. Yes, it already did. Ha! Go sonic screwdriver in your extra effectiveness in fixing yourself. Hang on. You know what? Direction time. Bust this pack open more. Wish I had a pack buster at this point. Ha. Reference to Stuart Ashen again. By the way, go check him out. Now is a great time because he's running this thing with Alienware called the Proxy. And if you... What the fire trucks? Okay. So I think I had it in right, actually. With the little doodads going this way. The pluses are supposed to be on top. So yeah. Plus. Is it plus plus plus? Yes. Plus. Plus. Test. Yep. There we go. And there is that famous sound. Yeah, I've said this like 10 times in 10 different videos. David Tennant. I mean, Matt Smith has grown on me, don't get me wrong. I don't dislike him. But nobody can replace David Tennant. David Tennant was the Doctor. In my book, he's the Doctor. Oh crap. What did I do with the screwdriver? You guys see me set it down? Here we go. Put it in the bag. I've always found this ironic that you need a screwdriver to set up the screwdriver. Okay, so now you take your cap, stick that back over, and the cap is actually pretty nice and tight on there. Now you can close it into its condensed form. And oh yeah, you gotta put the pen back on, the cover for the pen back on. And this is kind of a cool feature. They come out, the pen parts come out, and it comes with the second pen nib. That's a UV nib that has paper on it, and will actually probably stay on there better, like this. Yeah. Let's use the screwdriver to open it. I wish I could compare this with the 11th Doctor's screwdriver. But I don't know. I have it. I just don't know what I did with it. It's in one of my boxes, so I can't find it right now. I'm going to go back and look for it, and I actually have a case that I have that has a nice foam padding in it, soft foam padding that will basically mesh around anything inside. And so you come with it comes with two different ink nibs. One is a UV. It says UV on it, so let me take that out so I can demo it. I haven't actually done this yet, so let's see what it looks like. Looks more like a marker nib. Oh, this one fits really tight in there. I may actually keep this one in. Let's get out my receipt. From Lids, oh yeah. Okay, I wrote a message there. Put the cover back on. Now, watch. Okay, hang on, I'll turn off my light. Dim it. That's the keys. Hi, dear. Hi, dear. Yeah. Okay, lights back on. And yeah, so. It does the sound in both extended in both modes, and has a nice little, since it's UV, watch the effect on my camera. That's cool. Ultraviolets throw off the white balance. See, look. Watch, I can make the whole image purple. Isn't that cool? Yeah. It's actually a nice little light in there, too. Let's see if I have any dust on my shirt. Yeah, got some dust on my shirt. You can use it for that, too. But yeah, this is a nice little sonic screwdriver. It's not as big as the 11th Doctor's screwdriver, so yeah. I kind of wish this one came with the psychic paper. But, hey. I could make my own psychic paper if I really want to. But yeah. I'm definitely gonna save the... Oh, I found the directions. Whoops. Derp. I'm definitely gonna save the packaging just because, I mean, it's so nice and it's got Matt Smith and David Tennant. I'll peel off this little sticker here. Yeah, I like that they give you the black ink, too, so you can just write with it if you want. But yeah, I'm going to put this... let's put it here. And for the sonic screwdriver, yeah. And you also get a black pen ink nib, but if you've used a pen, you've seen what this does. So, yeah, I'll put that one in this container on my Xbox holder. And I'll actually put my sonic screwdriver up there, too. So, it's, in a way, in a place where I can do it. So, if you like screwdrivers, and you like Doctor Who, that is definitely the screwdriver for you. Actually, if you like normal screwdrivers, I know they sold... They were selling one that was the 11th Doctor's screwdriver, but had an actual screwdriver in it. And yeah, I also bought a Chicago Bears sticker today, this hat, and a button. Because I was feeling a little bit greedy today. Yeah. And funny thing is, the button actually fits perfectly in the inside circle of the Green Lantern symbol here. Perfectly. So, I could be Kyle Rayner if he joined the Orange Lanterns and had his symbol on his hat. Yeah, it could happen. No, it probably couldn't, but because I'm not cool enough to be Kyle Rayner. I am an artist, so there's that. But because he's an artist as well, I think. Yeah, he's an artist. Guy is not an artist. There's no way Guy is an artist. He's a linebacker. That's what he is. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hang on. Ripping my stuff out of my pockets because I thought I had one other thing to show you. Nope. I didn't. So yeah. I'll see you guys. This has been Galactic Marine 501/Jackson Wolfex. Yeah, dang. I hiccuped.